Okay, so this is the very first piece that I ever received in my collection. It is called Mountain Breeze Retreat, and it is part of the Veil collection. It's got really great detail. And there is a window here, and there is a table set up and seen inside there. So this piece was a piece that my husband had given to me. So the next lot of pieces that I'm going to be sharing with you, they are in no particular order as to when I received them. I just remember my first piece. Anyways, my husband gave me this set as well. It's called Bluebird Acres, and it is from the Harvest Crossing collection. And this is a hay barn. This is a really fun piece. I like to use these pieces any time of the year, really. So sometimes I'll include them in little fairy gardens or gnome gardens. Really, really cute pieces. Now, some things have fallen off, but I have a box with broken pieces, and I just use some glue and attach them back on. So I have a few pieces that are missing. The adhesive just kind of lets go, but it's not a big deal. Like I said, I just have all those pieces tucked away. Okay, so another thing you're gonna notice in my collection is that I collect different pieces from different collections that Lemax provides. And I like things that have significant meaning to our family. So the first piece is the cabin, and I just love like rustic, nature inspired things. The hay barn is great because we live in farming country. And this piece is the fresh produce. It's Bill's fruit and vegetable stands. And this one is from Harvest Crossing as well. Now, in the area that I live in Canada, fruit and vegetables is a huge thing here where I live. So we have a really long growing season, and we have lots of fruit and vegetable markets in the area. So yeah, it was only fitting that I have a piece like this. I love it. So this is a camping and outdoor store. It is called Big Mountain Outfitters, and it's from the Veil collection. My family absolutely loves to go camping, so this, yeah, is such a fun piece for the family. And it's really cool. They have some products set up in the windows, just like you would be out window shopping. So yeah, this is a really fun piece to have in my collection. Okay, so another fun piece for us and has a lot of meaning is the Lawson Winery. I live in a wine country here in Canada, and yeah, this has a lot of meaning behind it. My husband and I, we love to go to wineries. So yeah, this is a really enjoyable piece, and it is from the Veil Village Collection. Okay, this is the one piece that is actually my husband's. My mom got this one for my husband for Christmas one year. My husband's a very active outdoorsman, so this piece was perfect for him. It's called Buck's Hunting Cabin, and it is part of the Veil collection as well. I really like the Veil collection because it does have a lot of outdoorsy rustic pieces, and it just represents our family so well. So this is another cabin. This one is perfect for being set up by a lake. We have lots of lakes in the area that I live. This one is called Mallard Bay Cabin, and this is actually part of the Signature collection, and it was exclusively made for Michael's. It has great detail. There's a Christmas tree set up in the window. There's a sled, fishing rods, a boat. It's just a really, really fun piece. Again, really represents things that our family enjoys and the area that we live in. Okay, so for me personally, a village is not complete without having a church. So I have been on the hunt for a very long time for the perfect church, and this is as close as I got. I actually wanted it to be all wood siding, such as this. But the one that I did see that had all wood siding was pink in color, and I wasn't going for pink in my village. So I thought this was really pretty. It's called Cedar Creek Church. Now on the box it does not say what collection this particular piece is from, so I will have to look that up and I'll put it down in the description box for you. You can see all the detail on that one, and I love it. Okay, so this is the newest piece to my collection, but it's actually not a new piece to the Lemax Village Collection. I got this from the thrift store. It was only $6 and it works. So it is called After School Hockey Match. Again, the perfect piece for where I live. Hockey is a big deal, and I remember as a kid skating on ponds. So I love this piece. I was so excited that I found it. And I am actually going to put it together for you because this does something really, really cool. So here it is all set up, and I'm just going to press the button. It is animated. I just thought that was so, so cool. So I'm so excited that I found this. It is going to be a lot of fun to have in my collection. Now, as it is, it's on battery, so I'm going to see if I can find an adapter to plug it in so I don't have to constantly worry about the batteries. But yeah, I love this piece. I was so excited that I found it at the thrift store. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you all the different figurines that I have to go with my village. That includes these trees, and I have a lot more trees than this, but this is just a basic overview of what I have. And I am just going to record my pieces to some music. If you have any questions about my figurines, put them down in the comment section down below, and I will do my best to answer those for you.